Okay, you guys, so if you saw my last vlog or Casey's last vlog, I just got married, woo! So we're now on our honeymoon, and I thought I would show you guys around our place. We are in Boston, Massachusetts, so it's just a little, what would you call this?
What?
Like this building, or these set of buildings. Condo, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, so it's just like a small condo on the very top floor. So I thought I would show you guys around real fast. Bathroom number one. It's actually a really spacious bathroom. Really deep tub. That's the kind of tub I want when we redo my bathroom. Really spacious bathroom. Bedroom number one. TV, fireplace. Bathroom number two. This one's pretty big as well. And it's got a nice shower, which that's the kind of shower we want to put in Ethan's bathroom when we finish that. And here is like the living room, another bedroom. That's where we keep the dead bodies, back there. Living room, kinda. Kitchen, dining room. And then we are right on the ocean. Right here, so kind of cool. We'll go down there later today, but I would go outside, but it's really cold, and that's why we came here. But it was perfect for us. So we didn't need 2 bedrooms. Okay, you guys, we are just about to leave, and look who came to visit us. Is a seagull.
Pretty tame.
Yeah. Hi, Seagull. What are you doing? Whoa! It is not scared at all.
You don't care.
He's like, I don't give a shit.
He probably gets food.
Probably. Okay, bye, Seagull. Oh shit, I didn't know we were walking into the sand just yet.
I just told you we were.
I know, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, the sand is super cold.
Is it?
Yes. It's already in my shoe. What?
Can you not walk?
No, I can, it's just super cold. Okay, so we are officially on the beach. That, the very top. Is the bird still up there? Nope. The very top is where we're staying. We have the whole floor to ourselves. This place is actually super nice, and I like being on the beach. I could stand probably being here in the summer. I could probably do that because we could instantly go back inside. And it's actually not too cold. But I'm not going to get in the water.
No.
No.
I do want to touch the water. See how cold the water is.
Okay. Go touch the water. A what?
This is a good seashell.
Oh yeah. Go touch the water. I'm not getting close to it. Is it cold?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna get you.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to try to walk all the way down there to that little spot?
Yeah.
Okay. We also have ducks on our beach. I think those are ducks. Ethan, are those ducks? They're little ducks. And baby seagulls. Little baby seagulls. And ducks. I've never seen ducks on the ocean. Our friend has come back. Doesn't want to focus on our friend. There we go. Look, he's on the top. He's on the top. He's on top. There's 2 of them. Hi. You can have your crab leg. You can have it. I don't want it. Hi. No, he's still up there. I think that's one of them. I think he's still up there.
They're more scared of you than you are of them, or how we say it.
They're more scared of you than you are, Anna.
Yeah. She comes back.
Hi!
I think it's probably used to people feeding.
Hi! Will you make a noise for me? Will you make a noise for me?
Oink, oink, oink.
Okay, maybe not. Very good. Get your crab leg! Get your crab leg! Like, I'm good. I'm full. Okay. Okay.